Hi, I'm Jennifer Kowaleski. I'm a product marketing director at Flexera, and with me are Carolina Boschetti and uh, Ben Van Dam, BVD for short. And we're specifically focused on Snow Atlas. And today we're going to talk about some of the enhancements that we've had in Snow Atlas over the past couple of years. We released Snow Atlas first in 2021, and we've had a ton of new features being delivered in the platform since then. So one of the great things about Snow Atlas is that you do access the new features immediately. You don't have to upgrade to the next version as you do with Snow License Manager. So this is, another reason to upgrade. So, AI is top of mind for everybody. Let's start with some of the new AI features that we've added in Snow Atlas recently. Carolina, can you tell us about those?
Sure, I can talk about two of them. So we have recently delivered the AI-based import of data, which we believe will dramatically reduce the manual work needed for when our users need to upload entitlement data. So now instead of entering all the license details line by line and all the fields, users can now upload their purchase orders in a multiple different file formats. And then we use AI-powered extraction to ingest and process entitlement data. And that will, as I said, save time and improve accuracy, especially when users are processing large volumes of data. And then another recent addition was the Flexera Assist, which is the built-in documentation chatbot, allowing our users to ask the product-related questions and instantly get like the contextual answers and get them to the correct part of the documentation, which we believe accelerates onboarding and even issue resolution, maybe saving time with not having to go for support with questions.
Awesome, thank you. Ben, I think we've also added some features in SaaS management, right? Some new AI features.
Yes, we have. We've added some AI-based categories and descriptions to applications, so we can generate more descriptions for those applications within the tool. Additionally, our SaaS management on Snow Atlas has evolved by taking the best from Flexera SaaS Manager, and we've been putting this into Snow Atlas as well. So these enhancements also include added support for the CASB Cloud Access Security Broker connector with some capabilities for the browser extension to help discover shadow IT. And it also allows you to see the app risk score to see how risky those unknown apps are within your environment. We also have added Atlas, which has included some enhanced connectors for popular platforms such as Microsoft 365, Salesforce, and ServiceNow, so you can enable some deeper usage and cost insights. And then most notably, we now support over 25,000 SaaS applications via browser discovery. So that's giving customers a broad visibility and better spend optimization of their entire SaaS landscape.
And we just had a major market launch for our new SaaS management capability. So if you haven't seen the email for that, go check out our new Flexera One SaaS management product. We also we've just highlighted some big innovations, but we've also done some catch-up features to enable customers to upgrade to Snow Atlas. Carolina, can you tell us about some of the new features that we've added and if there's major differences in Snow Atlas over the Snow License Manager feature?
Yes, we have covered quite a few of what we called feature gaps, things that we were missing in Snow Atlas, and now with not missing them anymore, we hope that this will help our customers to upgrade from SLM to Snow Atlas. I will highlight 4 of them because it's the major ones that we believe are more popular, but there's a long list of smaller increments that we made. So first one that I would like to highlight is the support for custom applications. So since last year, We enabled our users, our customers, to add their on-premises and SaaS custom applications into Snow Atlas. They can easily discover the custom applications, and then they can perform the optimization and compliance analysis just as they do with other applications. We also have added the multi-currency support, enabling the ability for adding agreements and licenses in each country's currency, and also for the users to select their preferred currency that they want to see all the values in their Snow Atlas environment. It is an improvement over SLM, because now we have added the possibility of adding multiple conversion periods as well as rates. So the rates can be converted and changed quickly, and that's an improvement. Another thing that we have just released about 2 months ago is the data restrictions based on the organization structure. And now our customers can select the organization nodes that their users have access to and what type of data that they have visibility over, which adds some granularity and also helps each user to focus on their scope of work. And now, most recently, we have also worked on the organizational assignment for computers and users. And that's for easily allocating costs and managing the compliance. And that's easily accomplished by creating the rules and assigning the organizational nodes to inventoried computers and users, and even using the custom fields for that.
Yeah, we've been really busy working on these Snow Atlas features. So take a look at them if you haven't yet. One other new improvement that is coming for Snow Atlas, it's not available yet, but it's being turned on for customers as we speak, is that we're improving the data processing. So with a data processing job, sometimes it takes a while to process all that data. And so we're making improvements in Snow Atlas, so it will be near real time. So you'll be able to see your data immediately. One of the other new features that we've added is direct access to the database. I mean, that's one of the things that Snow License Manager customers really enjoy, is being able to access the database. So Ben, tell us how customers can do that now in Snow Atlas.
Yeah, so we've started building out the new read and write APIs, so you can get the direct data access to that data through those APIs. One of the key differentiators with Snow Atlas is the modern API framework. Unlike SLM, where you had the limited or read-only access, Atlas now provides full read and write REST APIs. So that means that customers can push and pull data, automate their workflows, trigger events, filter on some of those endpoints, and integrate Atlas more seamlessly into their existing ITSM or automation tools. It's especially valuable for organization building custom dashboards or automating their ITAM processes. But it not only just allows that read and write access from the data sets themselves, but it's also enabled us to help customers migrate through a migration toolkit. And that migration toolkit is a wizard-based UI approach that guides you through every step of that migration process. And it's a significant reduction in admin time and upgrade time and services. So this tool really requires minimal technology knowledge. It's very fast and efficient, so that automating process can match up some of those unique identifiers or relationships that you do have in your database. And now we've gone from maybe weeks or even months in some migration processes down to hours, which is a very, very fast and efficient process, which we're very proud of.
Yes, that's going to be a game changer for folks upgrading from SLM to Snow Atlas. So you've heard from our product team on some of these latest and greatest features. We're continuing to invest in Snow Atlas, and you can see some of these new innovations coming out in real time if you follow the Snow Atlas release blog and the Flexera community. You can also check out the What's New at Flexera blog on flexera.com. And you can always speak to your Flexera sales representative or partner representative to get a demo of some of these new features. Thank you.